Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073848 1382. Today we have a 2008 Hyundai Getz. This shape ran from the 9th month 2002 to the 2nd month 2011. This vehicle sustained damage to the front. This vehicle is fitted with a G4E 1.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol backed by a front-wheel drive automatic transmission. This vehicle is fitted with factory 14-inch steel wheels and hubcaps. Left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror, left front door, left rear door, factory 14-inch steel wheel with hubcap. Left rear has a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Has a tidy rear bumper cover. Right hand tail light. Factory 14-inch steel rim with hubcap. Right hand rear has a good tyre. Right hand rear door. Right hand front door. Factory 14-inch steel wheel. Right front has a good tyre with hubcap. This vehicle is fitted with a factory black cloth interior. It has a tidy center console, handbrake, lever, automatic transmission, gear stick, factory air conditioning controls, has a single stack MP3 Bluetooth CD player, interior mirror, left hand sun visor in tidy condition, right hand sun visor in tidy condition, factory automatic transmission instrument cluster, has a tidy vinyl steering wheel with stereo controls. We have the driver's power window master switch. This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.